Guess what time it is? Smoothie time! Hey Team Extra, it's Jay. Welcome back to my channel where I share lifestyle tips for single women. Today's video is about making a smoothie for one. So let me tell you why I'm making this smoothie. I'm making this smoothie because of the quarantine. I have been eating a lot of processed foods and my body is definitely reacting to that. I am very sluggish. I don't have a lot of energy and it's because I'm not getting a lot of fresh fruits and vegetables. And ladies, if you are on quarantine as well, which you probably are, if you are on the planet Earth, then you probably stocked up on some things at the groceries, but listen to your body, pay attention to your body. Your body will tell you what you need, and my body is telling me that I need some fresh fruits and vegetables. And I'm going to make a smoothie that's chock full of antioxidants, omegas, fruits and vegetables. So it is a almond butter and banana smoothie recipe, and the ingredients you need are a banana, some almond butter, and I have this flax chia seed blend, and I also have some hemp protein. Now about the banana, I got these bananas well before this quarantine. They were starting to turn brown, so I just freeze them. Hold on, let me show you. So I keep a bag of frozen bananas in the freezer, and whenever I'm ready to make a smoothie, I just take out 2 halves, defrost them in the microwave for a minute, and then I throw them in the blender. Now, if you have a really strong blender, then you can just put them in frozen. This is not a strong blender. It's a good blender, but not as strong as, you know, the ones that can chop up ice. But that is a good tip just for life, is to, whenever your bananas are going brown, just freeze them and you can make a smoothie, you can make banana bread, you can make banana pancakes, but keep some frozen bananas in your freezer. Now, the key ingredients of my smoothie is almond milk. I got this because it had a high or a long shelf life. It is March, the end of March, March 26th, I think is today, and this expires May 15th. So if I make a smoothie a day from now until May 15th, then I got plenty of almond milk to make my smoothies. I actually bought 2 of these to get me through the entire month of April and then some of March. Now, also as a single woman, I don't like to wash dishes. I mean, I do wash dishes, but I don't enjoy it. So I'm not going to use another dish just to measure the almond milk. My blender has the ounces on here. So it says 8 ounces, or it has a cup on this side. So I'm just gonna pour 8 ounces of almond milk into my blender. And then if you want a little more, you can pour a little more in there, but I like to wait till the end to see the consistency of the almond butter. If you're wondering why I'm bending down like this, is because I don't feel like doing my full camera setup. I just wanted to make this real quick for you guys. So almond milk, 8 ounces. Now let's throw in the banana. It's kind of mushy. 1 half. Second half. Grab my towel. I do have to grab another utensil. This is my teaspoon measurer because I need to measure out my flax and chia seeds. So I'm gonna do 1 tablespoon of the flax chia seed mix. This is Carrington Farms. Let's see if I can. There we go. Carrington Farms flax chia seed blend with 3 grams of omega-3s and 4 grams of fiber, which is really important. Helps with your digestion. Helps you poop. All right, 1 spoon of that. And then because I'm not eating a lot of fresh vegetables, I haven't had a lot of protein. I try not to eat red meat. I eat a lot of chicken, but they ran out of chicken at the store. So let's do a scoop of this. Turn this down so you can see this. This is hemp protein, 100% raw Canadian grown hemp protein. Canada is just making America look bad with their stimulus package and their raw Canadian hemp protein and their health care and all types of stuff. Justin Trudeau. Now for the important part, this is my almond butter. Do that again. Almond butter creamy. The brand is Simply Balanced. That's from Target or Target. Again, 1 tablespoon. Just stick that in there. And then dump that right in. All right. Right there. Throw the lid on, and then you're gonna blend. So on my setting, you have to put the blender on high and then press the button that says blend. Ugh. Make sure that this part is locked on the base. Make sure your lid is on or else it'll explode everywhere. I'm just gonna grab a spoon and do I need this spoon? I don't need the spoon. I'm gonna take my peanut butter spoon and I'm just gonna scrape the sides because some of that hemp protein is sticking to the sides. So I'm just gonna loosen that up. Actually, I'm gonna add a little more almond milk. Now, almonds have a lot of protein, so almond butter and almond milk, that's gonna put a lot of protein into this smoothie. All right, throw the lid back on. And blend. All right, let's see how this tastes. Delicious. Now, I like the peanut butter, the almond butter banana mix, but if you want to add other fruits in here, you can. You can do strawberries, you can do blueberries. Let's add some blueberries. So I have a bag of frozen blueberries that I got from the store because, again, the fruit was just all gone. And if you find some fruit, then you have to eat it immediately, cook it, or freeze it so that it doesn't go bad, because we don't want to waste any food. Americans throw away like, I think it's 40% of their food because it goes bad. So just throw in a handful of frozen berries. So again, with the frozen bananas, just keep some frozen berries in your refrigerator as well. I have blueberry. Let me just show you what I got. I got a bag of frozen strawberries. And I got a bag of frozen mixed berries. I got the strawberries because if I wanted to do a strawberry banana smoothie, I could. Or if I just wanted to do a mixed fruit smoothie, I could. But I already have bananas, so I didn't buy frozen bananas. And I didn't buy the strawberry banana mix because maybe I just want just a plain strawberry smoothie, or maybe I want strawberry melon or strawberry pineapple or whatever. But yes, these are my 3 frozen berries that I got from Aldi, and I just throw them in the freezer and I take them out whenever I want to make a smoothie or blueberry pancakes or whatever. But this comes in handy for somebody like me who doesn't have a lot of time to cook or isn't cooking for a lot of people. It's just me. So no sense in me buying a vat of fresh blueberries in order for me to freeze. Like, just buy a small bag of frozen blueberries because I don't have a lot of refrigerator space or freezer space anyway. All right, now that we've thrown our blueberries in here, blueberries, let's blend this one more time and get that all incorporated. All right, I'm gonna blend this and then I'm gonna grab my cup that I'm gonna drink it out of. Perfect. It's a perfect blue color. You can taste the banana, you can taste the almond butter, you can taste the blueberry. Really, really, really good. I don't know if you noticed, I was like putting things away while this is blending. So that's one trick that I learned from my mom, is to clean as you go. So while things are cooking, baking, sauteing, try to put your things away so that it's less work when you're done. So that is my easy recipe for a smoothie for one. And I'm going to enjoy this and read a book. I'm reading Gary V's Crushing It. So I'm gonna sit and drink my smoothie and read my book and enjoy the rest of this quarantine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you are digging videos like this, and if you want to see more videos from me where I share lifestyle tips for single women, then make sure you hit that subscribe button, and then go ahead and just click that little notification bell so that you'll know when I upload another video. Follow me on all of my social media at JSoExtra. And for all my single ladies out there, if you want to have a deeper conversation of what it's like to be single in 2020, then join me in my private Facebook group. It's called Team So Extra. Just look it up on Facebook and hit that join button. I will see you guys next week for another video. I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Enjoy your quarantine, guys.